Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. I hope everybody had a great weekend and I hope everybody is blessed, well and healthy. And yeah, let's just take a look at Nas and what we can expect for the week ahead. So just taking a look at it on the daily time frame, we can see that from this high right here for the past weeks from here, Nasdaq has been right below this price, okay, and right about there she tried breaking out, tried again but failed, and finally she broke above that high right there. Okay, so now on the daily time frame, what you can do is you can take a trend line from your recent lows, okay, which would be this one right here and this one right here. Okay, I always use recent price action, so my recent lows would be this two right here, or if you want to use the lowest point, you would take this one right here and connect that point. Okay, always use your recent highs and lows to connect your trend lines. But nevertheless, let's get down to the 4-hour time frame. Let's just adjust this trend line right there. Okay, I'm just going to remove this outer trend line. I don't need that. Alright, so as you can see, we have this trend line right here, and we can see that Nasdaq broke this high right here. Okay, and also she broke this high right here. Alright, just marked it out for you guys right here. This is on the 4 hours. So as you can see here, we had resistance, right? Price tried to break through, went up, but then she closed below this level, and finally more resistance, more, and broke through. It came back for support and came back again, then moved towards the upside, and also breaking this high right here. Okay, you can see we had resistance right here, 1 2, another one here, then she broke out, came back for support and went upwards. Okay, if you also look to the left, you can see that we have this zone right here. Just mark this out as a zone instead of using lines so you guys can see. Yeah, okay, let's just move this to the left right here and move that right there. Okay, yeah, just mark that out right there. Yeah, so as you can see, Nasdaq had support here. Okay, support, broken out. All right, came back, support again, broken out, resistance, tried to get there but you couldn't. Again here, moved away and came back, resistance. Okay, you can see we retested 1 2 3 4 times, came back, then finally here we've broken out of that structure. All right, let me just delete this and use a line. Okay, that high right there, that's the recent high that she broke out of. Okay, so now what can we do from here? All right, so at this point, if you want to buy Nasdaq, all right, I would say wait for price to come to push towards the downside. Okay, let me just get the arrow out. Yeah, I would say wait for price to push lower, okay, before before you're looking to buy this. All right, you can either look for buys at this high right here, okay, the structure over here, or if she decides to push lower, you have your trend line right here, okay, and also you have this resistance right here that will now be support. Okay, let's have it right there. So if you're looking to buy Nas, rather wait for price to push lower, either at this zone right here or this previous resistance and trend line. Okay, and then you can possibly see further upside. Stop loss right below there, and then obviously you would take whichever amount you're happy with. If she pushes lower here towards the trend line, and then you would take your profits which you're happy with. All right, that's one way to look at it if you're looking to buy Nas. If you want to sell Nas, if we take a look towards the left side right here, you can see that we have got a price breaking out here, okay, with this candlestick. You can see that we have a low right here, and we can see that price broke through that low, this low right here. Okay, price came back up for a retest, okay, and moved back down. So if we can just mark that out, let's just mark this low out right here. Okay, you can see we got support here, price broke through, came back for a retest, and another retest right there. Okay, so if you want to have a line, you can have a line, but I prefer a zone. All right, and also if you look right here, you can see that price made support right here with this wicks. Okay, these levels right here, so we can also mark that out right there. Okay, you can see we have support here, 1 2 3, and then she broke right there. Okay, so now you have got two lines where you're willing to sell Nas from, or if you want to look at it with a zone, you can just highlight that out, and then obviously what you're going to do is just wait for price to reach there, and then look for whatever candlesticks you get. Once you get your candlesticks, you enter, and then you take your profits by this previous resistance, which now be support. Okay, and then obviously you would have this trend line right here. All right, so then let's say you took a sell right here, just stop loss above there, then obviously you put your TP here for the sell. Okay, and then for the buy, let's say it respects the trend line, you would have your buy right there, stop loss below the trend line, and then obviously you would target the next structure, which would be right about here. Yeah, long-term target would be there. All right, so that's just my view again, guys, on Nasdaq and what we can possibly expect for the week ahead. Let's just go down to the 1 hour. Yeah, so same thing. Yeah, nothing's changed. If you want to have a steeper trend line, you could have this one here. All right, you can see that that's a very steep trend line, and you could possibly wait to see what price does if it reaches this trend line. Okay, obviously you can also use the 15-minute, but I mostly use 15-minute for entries. But you can see here that price has been stuck in a range here, and then she finally broke out. All right, so you can wait for a retest of this level right here and see if she respects it, to then take a short-term buy towards this zone right here. Okay, so then you would put your order on this structure there, stop loss just below the lows, and then you TP up there. All right. Yeah, that's my view on Nasdaq, guys. Just keep it short and simple. No need to complicate things. All right, you know, trade what the market shows you, and it's that simple, guys. Don't overcomplicate things and see things that are not there. You see, if it breaks a high, it broke the high. If it breaks a low, it breaks a low. You know, don't overcomplicate things. Just keep it simple. Yeah, if you enjoyed this video, just leave a comment or give a likes. And yeah, if you have any questions, just give me a follow on Instagram and hit me up on the DMs, and we can have a convo. My Instagram details are on my YouTube bio, but nevertheless, that's my view on Nas. I hope you guys have a great trading week and good luck with your trading, and yeah, I will see you guys probably on the next video. I might be absent for a few weeks or a few months, but yeah, I will be back. If I don't upload another video next week, then just know that I'll be gone for a few weeks or a month or two. Alright, but yeah, good luck and good trading, guys. Have a blessed week, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Cheers.